way to Oblivion.
Huh?
I'm just
really not prepared this morning.
Yeah, I know. It's a little early for us on a Sunday. The Oblivion event was something I was looking forward to. We missed it last year because of rain, but made it this year. And the weather was it was just overcast a little bit, but it was great. And it's an 80s and 90s show sort of thing. So the cars that are basically from my era, you know, when I turned 16, started getting my license and paying attention to cars. So everything there was fantastic, and we ended up, as you can see here, in with a lot of the exotics, and it was fantastic. We were sitting next to a Testarossa. There's an F40 next to that, NXS, and what was it, a Viper, and a really nice Jaguar XJ220S, really rare car. So you know, it was great company that we were in, and there was lots of great cars at the show, as you see with all the pictures I got here. So anyways, it was, the big surprise was meeting a bunch of people that have been watching the channel, and basically there's a few guys I ran into when I was selling the car, and had an interest in it, and have moved on to buy cars like Diablos, which is fantastic. So it was great. It was really uplifting. You know, I haven't done a lot of videos. I haven't done a lot with the car this year. In the spring, the weather was not really helping us out, but you know, it was kind of a dull kind of year with the car, and then this show has really invigorated me, and along with all the viewers that came out. So I really appreciated that. So that was great for everybody that came up and talked to us, and talked about the videos and making sure I don't sell the car. So yeah, it was fantastic. Let's go after the guys that ran the show and put everything together, because we've volunteered a few times doing these shows, and they're great for fundraisers, but they take a lot to organize, and it's a lot of stressful moments trying to get it all organized. And this was not an easy one. It was at Ontario Place, which is a I guess you would say a theme park of some sorts, but it's no longer used. So they were able to get the grounds and basically organize everything. We got escorted in, but it was a tricky place to get to and organize it all, and there was about 140 cars. That's all they could fit in the area, and it was an honor to be accepted in, and with a great company and some really unique cars. So hats off to them. I appreciate them putting on that show, and look for it next year. It's Oblivion. Hopefully it'll be in the same venue. If not, I'm sure they'll find something just as good. It was also great is on Saturday night, we were out at Johnny B. Good's. There was 700 cars there, and Udo was there. And if you don't know who Udo is, he did the red Countach replica that was in my video, the best replicas in Toronto. So look that one up and have a look. It's a really cool car. We getting some new asphalt. Didn't figure he'd come home with this pet.
Learn how to elocution to help.
Wow.
That's where he ended up from when you were in the shop?
Yeah, when I bent down and pet him, he climbed all the way up my leg and all the way up to my shoulder and sat on my shoulder for 20 minutes.
Oh, he likes the booze.
He jumped you.
Oh, he is gonna jump.